Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Today we're going to take a first look at a couple of new sensors we've been testing. These are Zynect sensors. Now they nicely sent us these to try out. And we've got two different kinds here. We've got the Soilmote, which is to measure moisture in the soil. And this is the Thermote, which you might guess is to measure temperature. So let's take a quick look. So this is the Soilmote, as I mentioned. Now this uses 3 regular AA batteries, and those should last for a few years. It also works with your Wi-Fi, standard Wi-Fi, and then you can use it to basically track the moisture in your soil over time, and you can customize and send yourself alerts via text message so you can keep track of the moisture in your soil. So this is good for, like, you have a farm, a greenhouse, maybe your plants. So this is a really great product for that. This one is the Thermote. This is just like the Soilmote in that except it measures temperature. And again, this is it's a nice product where you can, maybe you have a wine cellar you want to keep an eye on, or a greenhouse, or anywhere that you really need to monitor your temperature. Now these both work with standard Wi-Fi, so any Wi-Fi that you would have at home. They also work with LoRaWan, which is really neat because that is a long-range wireless standard. And to use it with LoRaWan, you'll need a little extra LoRaWan gateway like this one right here. So that's it. We're going to take a deeper look, get these installed, and we'll come back and do a full review. Thank you.